8 foods to reduce fatty liver. Tired of feeling sluggish and bloated? You might have fatty liver disease, a condition where excess fat builds up in your liver. But don't worry, there's hope. By incorporating these 8 amazing foods into your diet, you can help reduce fatty liver and feel your best. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fatty liver disease and exploring 8 powerful foods that can help you fight back. From antioxidant-rich berries to omega-3 packed salmon, we'll uncover the delicious secrets to supporting your liver health. Whether you're already diagnosed with fatty liver or simply want to take a preventative approach, this video is packed with valuable information and actionable tips. So grab a snack and get ready to learn how to nourish your liver and optimize your well-being. Now, let's delve deeper into our first point: fatty fish. Fatty liver is often associated with inflammation and an accumulation of fat in the liver cells. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in reducing liver fat and inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate stress on the liver. Moreover, they promote improved liver function by enhancing the balance of fats in the liver and reducing oxidative stress. Including fatty fish in your diet can be a tasty and effective way to boost your omega-3 intake. Aim for at least 2 servings per week to reap the benefits. Whether grilled, baked, or in a delicious fish curry, incorporating these omega-3 rich foods into your meals can be a flavorful journey toward a healthier liver. Now, let's shine a spotlight on our second recommendation: green leafy vegetables. These vibrant greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, are like superheroes for your liver. Packed with antioxidants and fiber, they work together to combat oxidative stress and support liver detoxification. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage liver cells, while fiber aids in digestion and helps control weight. A key factor in managing fatty liver disease. Additionally, green leafy vegetables contain an abundance of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting and bone health. By incorporating these nutrient-rich veggies into your meals, you're not only adding flavor and color to your plate, but also providing your liver with the essential tools it needs to function optimally. So, let's make friends with greens and make them a staple in our diet for a healthier liver. Moving on to our third powerhouse: nuts and seeds. While they may be small in size, their impact on liver health is mighty. Walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. These components work together to support liver function and reduce inflammation. Healthy fats, such as the omega-3 fatty acids found in walnuts and flax seeds, have anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease the burden on the liver. Fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for those managing fatty liver disease. Antioxidants present in these nuts and seeds protect the liver from oxidative stress, promoting an environment conducive to optimal liver function. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation, as they are calorie-dense. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, add them to your smoothies, or simply grab a handful as a snack. Your liver will thank you for these nutrient-packed treats. Now, let's explore the fourth food on our list: olive oil. This golden elixir has been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries, and for good reason. When it comes to supporting your liver, olive oil is a true ally. It contains monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which has been linked to improved liver enzyme levels and a reduction in liver fat. These healthy fats work by replacing saturated fats, which can contribute to liver issues, with a more liver-friendly alternative. Additionally, olive oil boasts anti-inflammatory properties, helping to calm inflammation in the liver. Whether used for cooking, drizzling on salads, or as a dip for whole grain bread, incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your daily diet is a flavorful way to promote liver health and overall well-being. Now let's talk about our fifth liver-loving food: garlic. Beyond being a flavorful addition to your meals, garlic brings a host of health benefits, especially for your liver. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties are key in reducing liver fat and supporting overall liver health. Studies have suggested that regular consumption of garlic may contribute to a decrease in fat accumulation within the liver, Additionally, garlic aids in detoxification by supporting the liver's natural ability to flush out toxins from the body. So don't be shy about adding garlic to your dishes, whether roasted, minced, or as part of a savory sauce. It's a small but impactful way to show some love to your liver. Let's move on to our sixth recommendation: fruits, berries, and grapes. Nature's sweet treats are not only delicious but also play a significant role in promoting a healthy liver. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them valuable allies in the fight against fatty liver. Berries in particular contain compounds like anthocyanins and polyphenols that have been associated with reducing liver fat. The antioxidants in fruits help neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting liver cells from damage. Additionally, the fiber content aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for those managing fatty liver disease. So, whether you're enjoying a colorful fruit salad, a handful of berries, or a refreshing glass of grape juice, you're not just satisfying your sweet cravings, you're also nurturing your liver with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. And our seventh and vital recommendation: water. While it might not be a specific food, staying well hydrated is paramount for maintaining a healthy liver. Water is the unsung hero in supporting the liver's detoxification processes. It helps flush out toxins from the body and aids in the digestion and absorption of nutrients. Dehydration can hinder these essential functions, putting extra strain on the liver. Furthermore, water plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy body weight, an important factor in managing fatty liver disease. By ensuring an adequate intake of water throughout the day, you're not only quenching your thirst but also providing your liver with the liquid support it needs to function optimally. So, remember to make water your go-to beverage, and consider it as a simple yet powerful tool in your arsenal for maintaining a healthy liver. Point number 8. Whole grains. Before we say our final goodbye, here's an extra tip to boost your liver health. Incorporate whole grains into your diet. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats, are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They provide a steady release of energy, promoting stable blood sugar levels and aiding in weight management, both crucial aspects in supporting a healthy liver. The fiber in whole grains also contributes to improved digestion and helps regulate cholesterol levels. When it comes to fatty liver, maintaining a healthy weight and managing blood sugar are key, making whole grains a valuable addition to your arsenal of liver-friendly foods. So, consider swapping refined grains for whole grains in your meals to further enhance your liver's well-being. As we wrap up our journey through these 8 foods to reduce fatty liver, it's important to emphasize the holistic approach to liver health. Incorporating fatty fish, green leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds, olive oil, garlic, fruits, berries, grapes, and ensuring proper hydration into your diet not only adds variety to your meals, but also provides your liver with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember, maintaining a balanced and whole foods-based diet, coupled with regular exercise, plays a crucial role in supporting liver health. If you or someone you know is dealing with fatty liver issues, consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for joining us on HealthQuest. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay committed to a healthy lifestyle, and until next time, take care of your liver and yourself. Wishing you good health always.